What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use frames for presentation in Miro. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Miro. After typing, you will see this first official website of Miro. Just simply give it a click and after that you will see the option of sign in if you are new to Miro. So just simply sign in with your email and password. And after signing in, you will be welcome to the home page of Miro. So after coming here, as you can see, I have created these recent boards on Miro. But if you want to create a new blank board, simply click on blank board to create a new blank board. So I have jumped in into my recent board, and from here on the left side you can see this frame icon. Click on it and then here are some multiple frames that you can choose from, and according to the mobile, tablet and desktop you can choose or you can even create your own custom frame. So let's say for example I'm choosing this A4 frame and you can just move it. Uh, you have multiple options to edit, like to create slides. From here you have multiple styles. As you can see, here are all the styles, and you can hide this frame, you can lock this frame, or you can improve this frame via Miro AI. And then here are some more options, like to export this frame as a PDF, export as an image, copy the style, copy the link, and then embed this frame. Here are these options, and you can choose according to your requirements, and then you can rotate it according to your needs. And after finishing, if you are selecting two or more frames, click on present, and then it will automatically animate all your frames. And this is how you can use frames for presentation in Miro. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.